Yo, hello everybody. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good, man. All right, let's get it. Yo, what's happening, everybody? Israel the trader speaking right here. So yeah, this is going to be weekly analysis, guys. So we're about to start the week, so that's why I'm coming live and direct here to come and start the weekly analysis with you guys, right? Very important for you to do your analysis before you start trading. Very important, yeah. So do analysis, guys, and before you start trading. Very good, and I recommend it, so do it. All right, guys. So yeah, as usual, how we are going to be doing it is that if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze, you just say, hey Israel, can you analyze this very pair, in the live chat section and things like that. And also, if you have question, just let me know down in the live chat section. I will be watching, over every comment that you guys are making, so that I can, answer you guys questions, right? Very important. All right, so yeah, we are about to start the week. That's why I'm coming here live and direct with you guys. Very important, yeah. Okay, so all right, got it. So yeah, guys, we will start off of AUDPS first before we are going to go down for maybe AUDUSD, and things like that, and so on and so forth, right? But if you have any question, just ask, and I'll be able to answer your question live and direct. So this is a live video, guys. Utilize it to your own advantage, right? Very important. Okay, so yeah, first things first, if today is your first time here, welcome. My name is Israel the Trader, and I trade Forex, right? I've been trading since 2017. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your friends and family. Very important, guys. And like this video as well. Very important if you like this video, right? Okay, guys. So now back to the analysis, right? Like I said, we are going to be starting with AUD pairs, right? And of course, you guys are seeing what we refer as AUD card, or AUD Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, right? So first things first, guys, there are some things that I put into consideration whenever time I'm trying to do analysis and things like that. So first of them being, I like to go down to daily time frame to mark up my major key levels, right? Then I'll go down to 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and also maybe some smaller time frames. That one I use them for entry, right? Not for analysis. But right here on this 4-hour time frame, you can also do your analysis, and it's going to be perfect. No doubts about it, guys, because I've been training since 2017, so I should be able to know what is working and what is not working. So that's why I'm coming live and direct, and be doing this live analysis with you guys, and also we do live trading. Before we continue, guys, let me show you in our last Forex London, yeah, I think it was a London session, something like that, before NFP, right? If you guys remember, I don't know if I can still check it out on my YouTube channel. Let me just try and check it out, guys, because very important, so that you guys can have idea of what I actually do and things like that. Because I was doing this analysis of AUD USD, so I sold the market live and direct with you guys. So I don't know if I can just get where exactly I sold the market. So yeah, this is the YouTube channel, guys. I'm just trying to go down and look out for the video, right? Let me just go to videos, I think this was our last video, I guess. So yeah, first things first, guys, if you are watching the video, don't skip ad, right? Very important, don't skip ad. So let it just play out, they will come back and check what's happening over there. Very, very important, right? So I just want to let you guys know that whenever time you are doing an analysis, believe in it, like believe in it, believe in what you are doing, and also know exactly what you are doing. Very, very important, guys. And remember, this trade, I took it live and direct with you guys. I know that we had some sort of drawdowns, but definitely I knew that this market is going to go in our direction, right? And I did not close this trade, guys. I didn't close them, so I just held my trade, and now we are riding into the final take profit for 100 pips, right? Because of course you guys know that I'm not I don't scalp the market, I don't do nothing. So you know, let's just check out for the video, guys. So this was the live video, and also yeah, you guys are seeing USD card, right? Also this USD card, I send this signal to my to my premium and VIP students, right? I send them the signal. You see where it is right now? Let's check it out and see where this USD card play out as well before we check AUD USD, right? So I just want to like gain your trust so that you can know if we are doing this analysis, you know that I know what I'm talking about and I know what I'm doing, right? So that you not be thinking of, oh, Israel, you just gambling the market and stuff like that. I don't gamble the market, guys. I don't gamble it. I trade Forex long time. This is what I do for a living, right? Because I trade it full time. And I've been trading since 2017, so I should be able to know what is actually working and what is not working, right? Very, very important. Very important. And also, guys, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, right? So, and also if you have any question, just send it down in the chat section. I will check it out and see if it is something that I can actually answer here, or you know, not trying to like say nothing, you know. So okay, flying K, you just deleted the message. All right, message retracted, so no problem. Yeah, like I said, if you have any question, just say it out and I will be able to check it out, so that you know, we do this every time, you know. So yeah, back to our USD card, right? So this is USD card right now. If you check this video, this is live video I did. You can see it. You can see it. This was 2nd of February 2022, and it was a live video. You can see streamed live on February 2nd, 2022, right? So I sent this buy signal to my premium students and VIP students. So if you try to just like play it right now, you see it's playing. Let me just try to. You see, I'm trying to just check out how the thing is. You can see it right now when I send the analysis and stuff like that. But let me check out, enable the play. You guys are supposed to see it now, playing. So right, we are about to start trading for the week. Though I mean USD card anyway. This is USD card. So I'm in a buy right now, guys. I'm buying USD card. And also, first things first, guys, you can see where I did this analysis, right? This was live anyway. You can see where I did this analysis, yeah. So, and you see how this analysis was, right? You can see how it was on the 4-hour time frame, isn't it? So if you go back down to the chart right now and check out if this USD card play out what I predicted, right? This is the 4-hour time frame. You see this? This is the 4-hour time frame chart, and I did this analysis, and I even showed you guys on the live live stream. You can see it right here before USD card started buying, right? You can see I streamed this live on the 2nd of February, right? And today is 6th of February. Then this is the trade update. You can see that this is the trade update. And how many pips is this in profit, if you may ask? It's still about 82 pips, but it went up in like 102 pips in profit. That was it, right? But the final take profit right now, I'm seeing that USD card is going to go for 200 pips at least, but I'm still holding the trade anyway. But you can see right now it is about 80 something pips in profit, but went up for about 100 and something pips in profit, right? And of course it was live on YouTube, so you should be able to know that okay, Idro actually knows what he's doing right here, so. And of course, with a proper good risk management, guys, you can easily grow your account, right? You can easily grow your account to some certain level, right? Okay, let me just start to see or to read what you guys are saying in the live chat section, right? Very, very important. Somebody is saying, hi, can you please look at NASDAQ 100? All right, I will check it out. Then somebody is saying, hi, sir, can you show how you analyze chart? I do show it, I do show it in a moment. You'll see how I do analyze chart and stuff like that. So flying is saying, can you do GU? All right, I will check GU. So NASDAQ and GU, that's what you guys are requesting, right? And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Very, very important, guys. That's what keeps us going and going and going right here, right? So let's just forget about USD card. Let's go and talk about AUD USD now. I also took this trade live and direct with you guys. There's no doubt about it. I took this trade live and direct with you guys. I don't know if I will be able to spot out where exactly I did the analysis. I think I did the analysis in the middle, something like that, trying to like spot where. And again, still that's USD card. I did some analysis anyway. Oh, this is an ad, man. Let's see. I will skip this ad, guys, because we are doing something, right? But don't skip ad if you are watching, right? Okay, this was AUD USD analysis. When I finish the analysis, I guess. So this was AUD USD. I'm trying to look out for when I set the take profit and stuff like that, so that you guys can see we don't just form things here, right? You guys are seeing it now that I also give out stop loss and take profit. But let's see. This is 4-hour time frame, right? This is the 4-hour time frame on AUD USD before it's played out, right? So now let's check it out. Now this is the same 4-hour time frame. You can see I did not even delete my analysis or nothing. I did not delete nothing, right? Same analysis, same thing, boom. Now we are in profit. So yeah, believe in what you do, guys. Believe in what you do, and also trust the analysis. Very, very important. Yeah. So other than that, guys, let's see what we have for the day. So apart from these two analyses that I just showed you guys, let's see what we have on the table for the week. So the first thing that we have now is we have NASDAQ 100, right, which is NASDAQ. So, and of course, if you are new to forex trading, definitely I don't recommend you trading NASDAQ 100. I don't recommend you trading that because it's very, very, very volatile. So it's not user friendly, especially if you are just starting out in the forex market. It's very, very volatile. You can easily make money, but at least you can still know that you can easily lose lots of money. See, the thing there is that one thing with new forex traders, they don't actually know that any amount that they can make in profit, they can still lose that particular amount in a loss, right? They can still lose it, but they don't put that into consideration. They only focus on making money, making money, making money, making money, and making money, right? Of course, it's good to make money. That's why you are trading, but at least you should be able to know that okay, if trade go against you, you can potentially lose so amount of money, right? But you don't put that into consideration. You just all you care for is just trying to make that money quick and stuff like that. Of course, it's very, very bad habit. So you have to change that as soon as possible. Change that mindset. Also, if you are getting into any trade, at least know how much you are losing, or know how much you're going to be losing on that particular trade that you are trying to get in, right? It's very, very important. But if you don't know how much you're going to be losing, you just get into a trade thinking that the trade is going to be in profit and make lots of money. Definitely, if care is not taken, it might just go against you, and if it go against you, it will wipe away your whole account. So that's very, very bad habit. Forex trading is not only about you trying to just let me be rich overnight. Israel is making like thousands of dollars. He's making $100, $200, $300, $500, $400, and so on and so forth, right? Of course, it's good to make money, right? Forex trading, but at least you should be able to consider any amount that you are making in profit, someone else is in negative on his account, right? His or her account. If you are making money, it doesn't mean that everybody is making money out there. Definitely, some people are losing money. That's why you are making it, right? And of course, if you are losing, some people are still making that money, right? So put into consideration of how much you can potentially lose on that particular trade that you are taking, right? Very, very important. Very important. All right. So, okay, guys, enough of the talk. I'm just trying to say the reality of Forex trading. That's the reality of Forex trading. At least know how much you're going to be losing. I don't win 100%, but last week, oh my goodness, we won 100%, guys. 100% of our trade. We took 5 trades in general, and all of them moved in profit. All of them. Okay, let me just try to show you some of them, right? This is the first one we took, it was Euro USD. We took a buy on Euro USD. So I don't know if I still have that set up, but let me check it out. Euro USD. Okay, I don't actually have that set up on Euro USD right now, but we took a buy somewhere around here. So had we held our trade, you can see we could have taken about almost 320 pips. 320 pips, but we just took about 100 pips, I guess. Yeah, it was 100 pips that we took on that particular trade, right? Then the second trade was USD CHF, something like that. Yeah, it was USD CHF. Let's check out USD CHF, guys. Where is USD CHF? Boom. It was USD CHF. You can see I still have my setup on USD CHF. We sold it right here, and boom, push back down in profit. I didn't want to buy right here, guys, but because I was already in USD card, right? I was already in USD card, so I didn't want to because correlation between USD card and USD CHF is positive, right? So I didn't want to get into same trade, the same pair that moves together and all of these things, because that's why I just refused trading USD CHF no more after it hit my final take profit for 110 pips. And also, if you want to confirm this, you can go down to my profile. You can see somebody liked it right there, and this was the analysis I did, and I just published it on my trading view account, right? Of course, if you play it right now, you're gonna see that the market hit my take profit, right, for 110 pips. You can see it right here. So play and let's see. Boom, you can see that it has played, and that's what you see. So we know what we do, guys. I know what I do. And also there was a USD CHF JPY sell, and this one was for 150 pips. If you play it now, boom, you see that final take profit is triggered, right? So guys, if you know what you are doing, definitely you are supposed to be a profitable trader if you know what you are doing. So yeah, this is the second trade. Yeah, this was the second trade. Then the third trade that we took was it was CHF JPY. We now bought CHF JPY. Let me check it out for you guys. CHF JPY. Boom, you see that CHF JPY hit final take profit for 100 pips. Come on, guys, stop playing with Team ITT. We know what you are doing right here. So oh my goodness, once you know what you're doing, you are not scared of nothing. You just set it up, set stop loss, take profit and stuff like that. And of course, this trade was 1 to 2 risk ratio, risking 1 to 2.2, risking 45 pips to make 100 pips. Boom, that's it, and hit our financial profit. So the first trade that we took was that USD card, which was USD card. So boom, USD card is still moving in profit right now. It did not hit my financial profit for 200 pips. So let's see what USD card will have for us after it breaks out of this particular zone, right? So let me just mark it out right now, guys, so that I can know that, okay, I need USD card to break out of this before it's going to continue to go back up to the upside. And of course, I have my stop loss at break even, so I don't have nothing to worry about. So let's just see how USD card will play out this week that we are getting in, right? This is the first trade we took. So this one we took about 80 pips on this, you know, yeah, about 80 pips. So we still have like 120 pips to go, you know. And also the fifth trade was AUD USD. Of course, you already know that AUD USD is about to hit our final take profit right now. So the final take profit is for 100 pips, and I'm expecting AUD USD to hit the final take profit once the market opens, right? Of course, I talk too much, guys. I talk too much. So let's go down and check out NAS 100. Very, very important. That's why some of you guys are here, right? To check NAS 100. All right. So, guys, you should be able to know that, hey, Israel actually knows what he's doing. So I know what I'm doing, guys. So just a reminder, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please, I will just use this medium to tell you that, okay, you have to subscribe to the channel, and also you have to like this video, share with your friends and family, right? So yeah, back down to the chart, let's go and check out for NAS 100, since that's the first pair that you guys requested for me to do the analysis right here on our YouTube channel, right? Very, very important. So this is NAS 100. So yeah, this is the NAS 100. Let me go right to 4-hour time frame and see what is happening. This is it. Let me go to daily. Okay, daily time frame. I can see that the market broke out of this trend line. Yeah, there's something interesting happening on this daily time frame. You can see that the market has created this daily time frame trend line, or this is an uptrend, you know. This is an uptrend. So what I'm going to do now is that I'll just put my major support and resistance levels on this daily time frame at maximum of 5 or 4, but I will just leave it at 3. Now let me just put it at 4. Just leave it at 4 right now. Boom. So I'm done with analysis on the daily time frame, you know. So I'll just focus on this, and let me go down to 4-hour time frame to see what is happening. So this is 4-hour time frame, and remember, we plotted this particular support, resistance, and stuff like that on the daily time frame, right? So anyone that is in need of adjustment, I will adjust it. And of course, there's no one that is in need of adjustment right now. But I would say that take note of this zone. This is another zone right here. So take note of that, guys. So now there's no any other thing that is in need of adjustment. But another thing is, I'm seeing that trend line is right here, guys, right? I have a trend line. I don't know if you guys are able to see this trend line. So I have a trend line right there. This is 4-hour time frame. Let me change the color to 4-hour time frame color. So you guys can see that the market now was moving to the upside, broke out of the trend line on the daily time frame. So now we are now on 4-hour time frame, plotted this trend line right here. So now the market decided to try to push back down to the downside, but it broke out of the trend line, now retesting that trend line. So now what I'm saying is the market can either break out of this and continue to go to the downside, or from where it is, it's gonna go back up to the upside, right? And of course, I'm seeing that it's gonna go back up to the upside. Reason being, I'm having a tweezers bottom right here after this retracement. So this is kind of telling me that, hey Israel, this Twitter's bottom, it is an indication for you to know that NAS 100 is going to buy next week, right? It's going to buy next week. That's what I'm seeing here. And of course, where you are supposed to set your stop loss, take profit and things like that, let me just do it for you, right? Like this. Then let's say final take profit up there, or you can just target this or trend line, right? At that trend line, you can just target it. Then your stop loss is going to be below this what do you call it now, below this Twitter's bottom candlestick pattern, below them just a little bit, yeah, something like that. So this is going to be 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So this is what I'm saying on NAS 100, guys. And of course, if it break out of this trend line, which is daily trend line, it's going to go back up to the upside. Of course, if it eventually hit a stop loss, it is what it is. So that just it. The market usually do what it did, what it does. So it is not a bad idea if stop loss is triggered, you know, because that's why you're a trader. You have to like encounter some losses, not like last week that I had 100% win rate, right? It doesn't happen like that, guys. At times I do lose. If I take maybe 5 trade in a week, I do lose maybe 2 out of 5, then, you know, and stuff like that. At times I do lose 1 out of 5. At times I don't lose nothing, and at times I have to just deal with some losses at times, because that's how you are. That's why you are a trader, guys. Because you don't tell me every time you are trading, you just take 100% win and all of these things. Nah, I will not believe. You know, I will not believe. So yeah, that just it, guys, about NAS 100. So if you have any question regarding NASDAQ, you can just let me know and say, hey Israel, you know, I don't understand what you mean by this and that, things like that. So I will just clarify you and let you know that this is why I'm doing things like this, because very, very important if you have any question. And if there's no any other question, the next pair that we have right on our list is GBP USD. That's what you guys are saying. But before I go down to GBP USD, Flying K, are you still around before we check your pair? Because that you say that we should check GU, right? So of course I'm done with NAS 100. So if who is the person that asked about NAS? Katifu, something like that. Katifu, you ask about NAS 100. Do you have any question? And if there's no question, definitely I would say, okay, let's go down and check GU, right? But before that, Flying K, are you still around, man? Because, you know, if you're not around, no need for me to check out for you for your pair, right? And Ackwold is saying we should check GBP AUD, right? I will check GBP AUD for you as well. Very, very important, right? Then Kadivu is saying making money is the motive. Yeah, for sure, man. Making money is the motive, but at least you should be able to know that trade can still go against you, right? So make sure you know how much you're going to be losing. This is the mindset that you guys bring into the table, and you end up blowing your account, right? And you'll be emotionally unstable. You will not be emotionally unstable based on the fact that you just come in with the mindset of, okay, once you're a trader, you got to make money, right? You got to just make lots of money. That's not how it is, man. That's not how it is. So I have to tell you, or I have to let you know that you can still lose lots of money when it comes to Forex trading as well. Like, you can still lose lots of money. It is not me trying to wish you that you lose money, but this is the reality of Forex trading, guys. You have to deal with losses at times. Very, very crucial. You can't, it's inevitable, like it's inevitable, like inevitable. You cannot escape from it. You cannot just escape from losing some money, right? Okay, Flying K is saying I'm still here. All right, so let's go down and check GBP USD. Since Katifu, something like that, yeah, doesn't have any question in respect to NASDAQ analysis, yeah. So let's go down to GBP USD. You know, GBP USD, that's the pair that we are checking right now. So GU, this is it on the 4-hour time frame, yeah. So let's go down to daily time frame and see what GU brings to the table. Daily time frame, okay. I'm gonna see my trend line. Let's see what's happening. Okay, got it. That's the trend line. Got it. So major support and resistance. I will put my major support and resistance. Very important when it comes to forex trading. There's another one right there, and of course I put maximum of 5. So I'll just leave it like that and go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's check out 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame, guys. So okay, I'll just neglect that. I'll just focus on this move right here. I'm gonna focus on these guys. So I'll just shift this, adjust this rather. I'll adjust that like this. Then I'll leave that like that. Let me adjust. Let me put another resistance area, and I'll change the color to 4-hour time frame resistance color. So now let's see what is happening on GU, guys. You can see GU was moving to the upside. Boom, broke out, trying to go back down to the downside. Now boom, to the upside again. And also if you go to the left hand side, you see that this zone that I plotted on the daily time frame acted as a support here, acted as a support here, acted as a resistance here, right? So definitely I'll be expecting that this zone, which is around price 1.36071, is going to act as my resistance. And of course you can see it right here acting as resistance to push the market to go down to the downside, right? But right now where GU is very, very critical. Very, very critical, guys. You know why? Though I'm seeing lots of things happening, but let me put something. This zone right here, we need it to be broken before we cannot expect GU to continue to go down to the downside. Yeah. And also I have another zone right here, but we'll not see it on this 4-hour time frame. We will see it clearly on the 1-hour time frame. I'm seeing a zone right here. This zone right now, the market has given us what we refer as lower low. So, and it has created another lower high. So now boom, we'll be expecting it to continue to go back down to this point. That's where we are going to be targeting if you are trying to trade GBP USD, right? But right now there is something that I'll put into consideration. Let's go down to 1-hour time frame, because I like to do top-down analysis, guys. So yeah, now we are going to be focusing on this area. Remember, we are swing traders, not scalpers. We don't scalp the market, or I don't scalp the market, right? So you see the zone that I was telling you on the 4-hour time frame, yeah? So let me change this to the 1-hour time frame color so I can easily identify each support and resistance, right? So now what do you guys see? I'm seeing that once the market break out of this structure that I plotted on the 4-hour time frame, definitely is going to continue to go down to the downside, guys. Boom, like this, to this point, So most important thing is that let's wait for what the market will bring to us. And you know that I don't only depend on technical analysis. I also depend on fundamentals and sentimental analysis. I do this a lot, guys. Whenever I'm trying to get into a trade, I will definitely do my do my sentimental and also technical, and also fundamental analysis, right? Let's check out if we'll be having news on GBP. Okay, down is CHF. We'll be having some news on GBP. You can see them medium, but let's see. I'll try to update you guys about that. You can see it here again, mortgage rate for GBP. That is going to be Monday. So what about Tuesday? Oh my goodness. Okay, we have retail sales on GBP, so definitely we'll see what is going to happen. So we have some news, guys, this week on GBP pairs, and of course we have them on USD too, AUD and stuff like that. So, but it's not much for GBP anyway. Yeah, it's not much for GBP, but let's see what is going to happen when the market opens, right? Very, very important for us to do that. So yeah, overall view on GBP USD, it might sell this week, you know, might sell this week, for okay, let's say 150 pips. You know, you don't have to be greedy, guys. You don't have to be greedy. So GU will sell for like 150 pips this week. Of course, I'll monitor the trade and see what exactly is going to happen, you know, so that you not just be trading blindly and stuff like that. Very, very important, right? So yeah, Flying K, we are done doing your analysis on GBP USD. So if you have any question, you can just say, hey Israel, I have some question in respect to this and that, so that I can just check it out for you, right? So you can risk 50 pips to make around 150 pips. So 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. This is gonna be 1 to 3, guys. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, you see that? So that's that for it, guys. So if you have any question, you can just let me know and say, hey Israel, I want to know more about this, I want to know more about that, and so on and so forth, right? I will just gladly answer you guys right away. And also, if you did not give this video a thumbs up, you know, I don't know what you are waiting for, guys. I don't want to curse you, I don't want to do nothing. So just out of your mind, you know, you just click the like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, right? Share with your friends and family. It costs you nothing to do that. Cost you nothing, like nothing. So that just it about GBP USD. So if you have any question, ask right now. This call is supposed to be for 1 hour. So now we spend like 36 minutes, yeah, 36 minutes, 37 now. So remain roughly around 23 minutes before we end this call. So make sure you ask a question if you have one right now, you know. So the next pair that we have, it is nothing. Oh, it is GBP AUD, which has been asked by World. So are you still around World? Before we check your pair being GBP AUD, you still around? If not, you know, no need for me to check it. I'll just go ahead and do my regular analysis on some of the pair that I just like to trade this week, right? So let's see what is going to happen. So yeah, amazing. Thank you for giving your time and super knowledge. Have a great day. Huge respect. So thank you very much, Surav Parija. I don't know, are you from India, something like that? Because this name, you know, it's like Indian name or something like that, but I know it is Surav Parija. So thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Okay, World is saying, I am here, sir. Yes, sir. Respect, man. Salute. Thank you very much, bro. So yeah, let's go down and check GBP AUD, guys. Since World is saying that it's still here, let's go down and check it out, guys. Let's go, man. GBP AUD, right? GBP AUD. Great Britain pounds. I mean, yeah, Great Britain pounds and Australian dollar, right? So let's go, man. What do you have for us? We are knocking, knock knock, you know. We are knocking, knock knock, right here. Remove drawing. Knock knock GU. I mean GBP AUD, which is GA. What do you have for us? You have something? Let's get it. I'm gonna start by putting support and resistance. Daily time frame. Change the color to green. My major support and resistance. Then I'll put something like that. But if you remember, I said that at the maximum 5 support and resistance on the daily time frame. Yeah, you can see that the market is moving to the upside. You can also put your trend line, right? This daily time frame. You can also see that we have a trend line. If I just decide to put on the weeks, we have trend line right there. Let me just adjust this so that it will be perfect as the way I want it to be, right? Yeah, we will put it like that. Change the color to green. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame and see what is happening, right? You guys can see that we are supposed to adjust this to the upside, right? The main purpose of you coming to the 4-hour time frame is just to know that if your support and resistance that you've plotted on the daily time frame still valid on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that it is still valid, right? It is still valid right here. And of course, I'm seeing something good is happening here. I'm seeing something good is happening. Okay. But if you check right here, we are creating something that we refer as an evening star, guys. Evening star formation. Okay, it's gonna go for like 140 pips. 140 pips. Then stop loss is gonna be how much? Oh my goodness, stop loss is gonna be much, guys. Nah, no. I will not take this trade because it's not even up to 1 to 2 risk ratio. But ideally, it's gonna go down to the downside. It's gonna sell. It's gonna sell to this point before we might now see ranging market, right? Before we can now see ranging market right here. But that's what I'm saying. It's going to go down to the downside from where it is at the moment. It will sell, guys, when the market opens. But right now, it is not a profitable trade to take. For me, it is not profitable trade to take for me personally. So I would not take this trade. It is not profitable because it's not up to 1 to 2 risk ratio. So I don't need this trade, man. I don't need it. I don't need this GBP AUD trade. And of course, if you need it, you can take it. But personally, I'm trying to tell you that this particular trade is not profitable because it's not up to 1 to 2 risk ratio. And my rule says that if trade is not up to 1 to 2 risk ratio, at least that is the least, I go for. If it's not up to 1 to 2 risk ratio, don't take that trade because you are not going to be profitable trading it. Yeah, you are not going to be profitable trading it. So no need for you to be taking that particular trade, even if you are 110% sure of it moving in your direction, because it's not going to be profitable. So I'm not interested in taking this trade right now, but I'm telling you that it's gonna go to the downside. So if you want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, of course, you just leave it, because for me, that's the best thing to do right now. It's not profitable. It's not a profitable trade anyway. So that's just it on GBP AUD for our time frame. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. And of course, yeah, I'll still say it's gonna go down to the downside. But this 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame for sure. It's still gonna go down to the downside, guys. So that's just it. I don't have nothing much to say about GBP AUD. So yeah, who is the person that asked us about GBP AUD? Excuse me. So World, yeah. Do you have any question about GBP AUD analysis? If you have, you can just let me know and say, hey Israel, I don't understand this and so on and so forth, right? So I can just explain more further if you have time, So CSK 514 is saying, hey Israel, hello my brother and my sister, if you are a sister, I don't know. So I hope you good, hope you good. Thank you very much for checking on us today. So yeah, I'm Israel the Trader. If this is your first time here and just trading Forex, that's what I do for a living, and I am a full-time Forex trader. I've been trading since 2017, so I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm teaching you guys right here. The major thing that actually changed my trading career is when I improved on my risk management, guys. I cut off that mindset of becoming a millionaire overnight, then focused on risk management, focused on growing my accounts and stuff like that. I think I grew $500 to 5,000 in couple of like 4 to 5 months, something like that. I cannot really remember the duration it took me to grow that account, but I know that yeah, it took me like 4 to 5 months to do that. So that just it, guys. You just cut off that mindset of like, trying to grow $100 to 10,000 overnight and stuff like that. Cut off that mindset if you want to trade this long time. I'm 5 years now in the industry, so I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm saying. So very, very important. Also, I don't trade with indicators. Another announcement, guys. Just few time ago, I just saw that some people are taking my screenshot of my profit, of my work and stuff like that. They created accounts with my image and sharing it in one single group like that. I don't know which group is that, but it is what it is. They are now scamming people saying that I use their indicator, right? That's what they are saying. They say I use their indicator, and of course I don't use any indicator in the market. So they are now selling that particular indicator to people in my name, saying that I use the indicator myself personally, and of course I don't use any indicator. I don't use indicator, man. So I have no idea of what they are saying. In fact, I have not even checked the indicator or seen their indicator myself. Well, I have no idea why they are saying that I'm using that indicator whatsoever. It's very weird, man. It's very, very weird, So another thing is, okay, let me check what Ackworld is saying. No, sir, I totally understand you. So, okay, all right, that's good. All right, the next pair we have on the list is Euro USD. Garata is saying we should check Euro USD. So we're gonna go and check Euro USD. Please check Euro USD. You are right. Trading is a patient game for sure, man. 100%. It is a patient game. You don't just come here with the mindset of becoming a millionaire overnight or driving Lamborghini. Don't just come with that mindset. Cut it off right at your door, because if you're trying to come with that mindset into the game, come on, man, you're gonna go broke. Because I didn't see you at all making it in the forex market if you just come in with the mindset of making millions of dollars and stuff like that. Never. Don't try to do that. Don't do it, and don't do it. It is not a good practice for a new traders. Not a good practice, because I've been in same situation where you find yourself right now. I've been there before, so I know the implications of trying to be a millionaire overnight. Because the implication or the price that you pay for it is your account. Your account will just be blown overnight. As you think of becoming a rich overnight, that's how your account is going to be blown overnight as well. So if you want to do this long time, start to think about in years to come, not in months to come, in weeks to come, or days to come. In years to come, you're going to be a profitable trader, or you're going to be a consistent profitable trader. There's a difference between today being profitable and tomorrow lose everything, next tomorrow lose everything again, next tomorrow being profitable and stuff like that. Consistency is enough, guys. Consistency. That will keep you alive in the game. That will keep you alive, because without being consistent enough, definitely we will not be able to survive the game. So there's this account I just started with $10. So I'm just like planning to do what we refer as compound interest. So I'm just trying to like show people how they can even start with 10 USD and grow it gradually. It is a gradual process. So I've started this challenge since December of 2021. That's when I deposited 10 USD, right? I'm supposed to deposit another 10 USD January, but I did not even do it. So I just came up with this mindset of compound interest and stuff like that. So I will now be depositing 10 USD every month to the account and see how we can grow it, in years to come. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, whatever it is, you guys are going to be seeing the procedure and everything if God leave us alive, right? If God leave us alive. So the thing there is that you have to change your mindset, guys. You have to change your mind. Be emotionally stable, and risk management would help you to do that. Cut off that mindset of becoming a millionaire overnight. I know what I'm doing because I've done all of these mistakes that you guys are doing. I've done it. I've been there before. So I did not just come out of womb. My mom did not just give birth to me thinking that, okay, this is a forex trader, and boom, from womb I'm profitable or whatsoever. I had to learn it myself, and I'm a self-taught forex trader because I got no money to enroll for any forex education classes at the time. So I had to like grind in hard, stay awake without sleeping, stuff like that. You know, you have to pay the price, guys, if you want to just like be if you just want to change your life in general. You have to pay the price. It doesn't come from nowhere. You have to just make the change yourself. Nobody will come and change you, never. If you just purchase our course and thinking that it is me, if you did not stick to what I'm teaching, definitely you will not make any improvement. I can be teaching you and teaching you like in our premium group chat, but if you did not adapt to what I'm teaching, or if you did not try to absorb what I'm teaching and practice it, you know, definitely you're not still going to be a profitable. It's not magic, guys. It's not magic. It's not magic. You have to put in the work as well. As I'm teaching you, you put in the work in learning. Not that I'll just open your mind, open your brain. I'm not a surgeon to open your brain and whatsoever. Put in my brain or the knowledge I have, just bring it out, inserting inside your brain. It doesn't work like that. The thing there is, I can be teaching you and you learning and stick to what I'm teaching. Rules and regulations, you obey them, and also like risk management is everything. So we are not just going to be talking about this mindset, psychology, emotions, and all of these things, guys. When it comes to forex trading, of course they do play out a big role in the market, but you know, the purpose of this video is for analysis, not for that topic, right? So if you guys need it, maybe you can make a video about that, but at least I'm trying to like tell you guys the reality of forex trading. This is what some forex traders don't actually preach when it comes to forex trading. They will just be telling you, yeah, you can be profitable, you can this, you can that, and so on and so forth, right? But definitely they don't tell you that, okay, you can lose money as well. If I just want to sell you course or whatsoever, I can tell you, yeah, in 1 week time you can be a profitable trader and you change your life forever if you purchase my course, right? Of course, I'm not trying to do that. Don't purchase my course if you are not ready to learn. Don't just try that, because it's not going to make any impact in your life. It's not going to help. It's not going to do nothing. So if you are coming in with the mindset of saying that, okay, once you purchase ITT premium course, then your life is changed forever. Never. Don't even think of that. So I have to tell you the truth of forex trading. Be it might hurt you, it might not hurt you, but definitely you must face it. This is the reality, and this is how forex works, guys. So you have to change your mindset and cut it off thinking that you're going to be a millionaire overnight. That's not going to happen. All right, guys, let's go down and check Euro USD. Enough of the talk, right? Enough of the talk, guys. And of course, if you have any question, you just let me know. Hey, Euro, you know, you want to just ask about this, ask about that, and so on and so forth, you know. So this is Euro USD for our time frame. So let's go down to the daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You all see that, right? You all see this is daily time frame. Yeah. So let's go down to 4 hour. This is 4 hour. I've already put my support and resistance, guys, so no need for me to be putting them again, right? Can remove this and put the complete horizontal line, right? What do you guys see over there? The first confirmation I see right now, it is what we refer as double top formation. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, right? Double top formation, that's what I'm seeing. Like, that's the first confirmation. I'm saying that, okay, it's gonna go for whatsoever. What is this going for, guys? Oh my goodness. If you know how to trade forex, you gotta just tell me that, hey, Israel, this is going for this is going for that, and so on and so forth. But I'm seeing that this is gonna go down for a sale, guys. This is double top formation, and it is one of the market pattern. You know, in the forex market, we have market structure, we have market pattern, and also we have candlestick pattern, and there are three, I guess. Yeah, those are the three: market pattern, market structure, candlestick pattern. Those are the three things that you're supposed to know if you're trying to be a price action and naked chart forex trader. Of course, I'm a naked chart forex trader, meaning that I don't use indicators. And why I say I'm a price action trader, meaning that I trade based on some certain candlestick patterns in the market. So price action is just basically candlestick patterns in the market. That's what we refer as price action. You know, some people will be saying that, yeah, I trade price action, but they don't actually know what is that price action, what is the meaning, and all of these things. So that's just it, guys. So right now, what I'm seeing on AUD, on USD is that it's going to sell to this point. Let me mark it up. It's going to sell to this point, and after this level is broken, definitely you watch out for this before it's going to push back up to the upside or push back down to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. And of course, this is going to be a good trade, guys, because the risk to reward ratio is going to be nice. So you're going to be risking around 50 bips, yeah, to make about to make 150 pips, yeah. So this is going to be like 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, guys. Or if you don't want to be greedy enough, you can say 1 to 2.5. 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So that's going to be around 125 pips in profit. Take profit. That's going to be the final take profit. So that's 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. The reason why I adjusted that is because of this zone here. Is because of this level. You see this level? That's supposed to be the target. So you can see that. That's why I had to adjust it so that to avoid being greedy and all of these things. So risking 50 pips to make this amount. So it's very, very good, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD right at the moment. This is for our time frame, by the way. Let's go down the 1 hour time frame. And of course, it's gonna play out, guys. It's gonna play out. Like, definitely it's gonna play out, because I see this is tweezer stop, and tweezer stop, it is a sell signal, right? And of course, the market is trying to give us what we refer as a head and shoulders pattern, right? So you just see that, after I get into this trade, look out for if the market is going to break out of this or not, right? Very, very important. So whenever time I'm trading, guys, I used to mark all these things up, and I know the meaning of each and every line I'm putting. I don't just randomly put lines, guys. You might think that, hey, Israel, you just randomly put lines, but I'm not putting lines randomly. I know what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing it, right? And I thank God that I'm profitable trading forex. So yo, man, I'm just getting out of gas and all of these things. So let me grab some water and continue with what we are doing, guys. It is what it is. I have to stay hydrated, right? Somebody said through it, he said that oh my goodness, the chat is kind of much, man. Okay, Gorata is saying thank you for the words of wisdom. That is psychology right there. Yeah, for sure, man. That's a psychology aspect of forex trading, right? So and another person is saying, okay, through it is saying, what is the trend here for this pair? Which pair is that, man? Which pair is that? Can you just let me know the pair? Just let me know the pair. Is it this Euro USD or something like that? Okay, it's saying Euro USD. Clean for our candle. Yeah, for sure. So Euro USD, definitely that's a clean candlestick. So what is the trend? You are asking about the trend. The trend right now, it is a ranging market. That's what I'm saying on Euro USD. Did not break out to the upside, neither to the downside. So it is a ranging market. That's why we are selling it, because it is at the highest peak, right? And it just giving us a double top plus some candlestick pattern. And again, we are having head and shoulders pattern. Come on, guys. You have to learn all of these things. I can't just be telling you all these things, so that somebody is saying that too clean for our candles. Yeah, for sure. Sorav is saying, can you show which candlestick patterns you look to hop in trade? Nah, I cannot show everything here on YouTube, guys. I cannot show everything here. If I show everything here on YouTube, definitely. What is the essence of me doing premium? I can't show everything here. Of course, I do tell you some of the candlestick patterns, but I don't tell you everything, because that's it. I learned, like, it took me some years to learn this. Then you are expecting me to give you everything? That's it, guys. Like I do tell you, that's one of the things that YouTubers don't actually tell you. They don't give you everything. You are out there looking out for strategies and things like that on YouTube. They don't give you everything. I'm a YouTuber and I know that we don't give everything, and I'm telling you that I don't give everything myself as well. That's why I cannot be explaining you all of these candlestick patterns that I use. I cannot be explaining each and every one of them. Go make your research, guys. Go make research and make it. But I'm trying my best to see how I can show you all of these things and be profitable trader, right? But I cannot be showing everything A to Z. Nah, that doesn't happen. So just go and make your research to know more about candlesticks. That you see, guys. So CSK is saying that Israel, is there a number of patterns you have that you look for when deciding to take a trade? Like X, you have 4 patterns, well, not only 4, like candlesticks. I use about 22 candlestick patterns. 22 candlestick patterns, 11 for buy, 11 for sell, or let's say 11 for bullish market, 11 for bearish market. So I use 22 candlestick patterns. And market pattern, I use lots more of them. Ascending wedge, descending wedge, head and shoulders, inverted, all of these things, so on and so forth. They are much, man. They are much. So a flag, inverted flag, and all of these things, we do take them, and I trade all of them, guys. So everything is in my brain, man. So no need for me to be doing all this shit. So yeah, that's just it. And time is up, guys, because we are 1 hour into the stream. So I would like to say thank you very much for each and every one of you that joined us today. And if today is your first time here, I'm Israel the Trader, and I trade Forex, and also I trade cryptocurrency and stuff like that, right? So I've been trading since 2017. So if you did not yet subscribe to this channel, I do go live and direct on YouTube here, and be doing like live Forex trading, live weekly analysis, and things like that. Of course, like this AUD USD now, it was live on YouTube, and boom, this was where I did the analysis live and direct on YouTube. This was streamed 2nd of February 2022, right? Of course, you can see it right there. Of course, let me like the video. Boom, like it as well, guys. So like it like that, so that we can all be benefiting from this, right? Very important. That's how you just encourage us to do more and show you more and things like that. Very important. And also subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. So give this video a thumbs up, guys. I'm about to sign out. So thank you very much, and I wish each and every one of you a very good and profitable week. And also somebody is saying, can you do one more please on GJ if you have time? No time, man. No time. Sorry for that. Maybe tomorrow before London session. Of course, I'm planning to come live. So right now I still have lots of things to cover, and also today we are supposed to have our premium Zoom call with my premium students, right? Of course, that one is 1 hour before the market opens. So I'll go on Zoom to have Zoom call with them, trying to show them all of these things so that they can just be a profitable trader like me. And of course, some of them are profitable, lots more of them are profitable. So that's just it, guys. So right now I'm about to sign out. So thank you very much for checking on us today. I want to wish you a very good and profitable week. Also, my regards to family, friends out there, and your siblings. Just greet everyone out there. So Thank you very much. Trade with very good risk management. I'm still Israel the trader, and I'm signing out. Have a nice weekend, guys. Peace out.